just acquired this Range Rover 3.6 TD V8 Range Rover Sport. It's in Zermatt silver. It's got gloss black extras on the front bumper, grille and roof. It's in absolutely stunning condition throughout. Full service history. Being the 3.6 V8, it has a timing chain not belt, so it doesn't need replacing. It's got a lot of extras, so we've got the side skirts, upgraded alloys. Boot area is in absolutely spotless condition. You've got the carpet protector there. So you've got electric memory seats, you've got heated seats, it's got electric tilt side sunroof, full leather trim with the armrests. Let's step inside the car. Start it up. It's got cruise control, Bluetooth audio music streaming. Got heated seats. Satellite navigation. Reverse camera with reverse parking sensors. Climate control. All-terrain vehicle systems. Fridge in there, USB and iPod player there. Comes with 2 keys. Really has been well looked after. A lot of other extras, I can't remember all of them. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.